Hello all, it's Marie from Marie Reading Arts. I wanted to show you my wet felting rolling pin tonight. People do sometimes like to see it, so before you buy. It does have rotating handles, which means that you can keep your wrists in a fixed position when you're using it, which of course is very handy if you've got wrist or other problems. It's very nice to use. You don't need to put much pressure on when you're using this because it's solid beech wood, so, and it does the job without much pressure, so it's very little effort on your hands and arms, which is the point of it really. I purchased these rolling pins as normal rolling pins, was very particular about the ones I wanted, so I have these sent in. As I said, they're solid wood, so they really last well, and then I alter them so they have these grooves on each side. They have grooves, so that surface enables the felting to happen, to make your wet felt. I will give a demonstration on a different video of me actually making some wet felt with this tool. Basically, you don't have to use the rolling up method. This, along with my other tools, enable you to make wet felt flat without any rolling up. So it's very easy and low labour. It's not intensive on your hands, shoulders and neck. So it's really good. It's fast. I can make, with this and with my other tools which I make and sell, I can make a piece of felt inside of half an hour, depending on how big it is, of course. It's just like making pastry. It takes all the hard work out of it. So these are on sale, either on my website or in my Etsy shop or Facebook. There it is, the wet felting rolling pin. Follow the links to buy it. Thank you very much.